Want to replace the door seal of your freezer? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new door seal. Step 1. Remove the old door seal. Start by loosening the door seal in the top corner. Try to pull the old door seal loose from the seam by pulling it towards you. Afterwards, you can pull off the remainder of the seal. Step 2. Place the new door seal. Place the new door seal in the top corner. Fit the new door seal and make sure it is firmly in place. Proceed to go down along the sides and press the door seal firmly into place. You've replaced the door seal and the freezer is ready to use again.